Here is how we can select multiple photos in the iPhone. So if you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get into it. So we open up the Photos app, right? And if you want to select as many pictures as possible or multiple of them, it's best to zoom out a little bit. I mean, you can also zoom out like this, but now it's very hard to select them. So you just kind of like zoom in at least to this mode where you have like 5 things in the row, and you can click on the select button, which is in the top right corner as such, and you can now tap on the individual images, photos, videos, it doesn't matter, and you can keep on selecting. You can see at the bottom how many you have currently selected. So I have 11 things, and I can tap on share and share all of those through airdrop or on any of the means you have available, or you can obviously move them to trash or do something else with them. Of course, it's really important that you can make it much faster if you perform this gesture. So as you can see, instead of selecting them one by one, you can quickly drag and select them. And if you want to keep it like really long in terms of the selection, you can grab it like this and put your finger at the top, and you can see it's basically selecting all of the photos and videos on my phone. So it's extremely effective. Let's say that you want to delete all of the images. You can see literally the whole library, 400 items selected in just a matter of a couple of seconds. So it's incredibly useful, and now you can delete, share, or do whatever you want, or unselect them as such, and that's just how it is. So I hope that I was able to explain it and guide you through it. That's something I wanted to explain. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will hopefully see you later in the next videos as well.